What's up, traders? This is Trader Sham. So let's have a look on the Bitcoin. So today I picked up the 4-hour time frame, and here it is very clear that the price is following up a bearish trend as expected. So since the price is following up a bearish trend, I have identified the reason and also the possible outcomes in the near future. So based on the price action, which is very clear, following level is a major resistance zone or a supply zone identified on the 4-hour time frame. Since we can see that the price is showing up a rejection over this area, and even the previous price bullish attempts that has been formed up on the Bitcoin has got failed below this following supply zone or on the resistance zone. So we have seen some fake outs happen over above this supply zone, and here we see that the price got back inside the supply zone once again. So I will be labeling this as the supply zone, and it is very clear. And right now we are seeing another important structure, and which is a trend line which the 4-hour time frame has got followed up, and this is showing up ascending triangle pattern on the 4-hour time frame, which is now confirming a bearish breakout and expecting to see a continuation to the downside. Based on the confirmation, we can see that the price is really looking for a move to the downside, since we have a break below the following trend line and also a failed resistance. And also we are seeing that this recent low that which the price has built close to 41,700 has already broken to the downside, and here we see a retracement or a reset back towards the following key lows that which the price has already breached. So here we see another important structure, which is a minor support identified on the 1-hour to 4-hour time frame. So the price has already confirmed a breakout to the downside. Right now the price is reversing back towards the support zone in order to accumulate more selling pressure. Right now we are expecting a continuation move to the downside, which is a bearish trend to form up to the downside. So let's have a look on the trend that which the price has caused over the period. So when I zoomed out on the chart under the 4-hour time frame, also I have identified that this level of trend or this level of supports that which the trend line has built already breached once again. So this is another confirmation that we can identify on this following trend. So since I have connected all these high lows which the price has already confirmed or printed on the 4-hour time frame, we have another confirmation of a bearish breakout that is validating the idea of a bearish continuation. So we have many confirmations which is bearish biased at the moment. So still we are looking for short entry opportunity around here. We have the confirmation of a faked out resistance level, and here we have the bearish breakout identified on the ascending triangle. And right now we are seeing another bearish confirmation which is formed over the following trend line, which is the major trend line that has been followed up since October last year. So this has been playing an important role. So this is the structure which I have been identified on the Bitcoin. So right now let's look over the targets or the possible levels which the Bitcoin can retrace back to the downside. So since we have a demand zone and also a key level identified, we can expect the price to revisit back towards the following level, since we have resistance and also a demand level, so which is completely a flip zone. So here the resistance has got changed the character into a support zone, and then the price got shooted back to the upside. So I believe that the price has a chance of reversing back towards the following level in order to identify its next possible support. So this is going to be the first target that I'm expecting the BTC to look back over the 37,900 level or 950 level. So the next possible target will be around this level. So the same scenario as I have said earlier. So once again it is a resistance and again a support, which is a flip zone. So I will be renaming these levels as key level because we should keep an eye around these levels in order to identify the future possible moves that which the price may attempt to work out in the near future. So since we have the major breakout confirmations identified here, so it is very clear and the bearish confirmation is very strong and steady at the moment, but still we have the support here which is lagging out the bearish trend continuation. So once the price confirms a bearish breakout with the downside below this highlighted zone, which the price has already got supported recently, then we will see a possible continuation to the downside. So this is the first level that I'm expecting, which is close to 37,950, and then the next target after breaking this 37,950 level, then the next target I'm expecting is close to 35,100 or 250 level, which is somewhere around in the 35 range. So these are the two targets that I'm expecting to see once the price confirms a bearish breakout around this 40k support that we have identified here. So this is playing an important role right now, since we have the confirmation of a bullish reversal that is being played out, and which the price has already revisited back towards the previous support that it has breached. So right now the price is looking back towards the downside, but still we are not yet confirming any bullish confirmations which is about to invalidate the structure. So still the bearish confirmation and also the bearish idea remains valid until the price moves back inside the triangular pattern. So this is the update for BTC, and hope this analysis is useful, and make sure to thumbs up and also subscribe my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.